Welcome back to Body Sculpt, your ultimate fitness destination. In today's episode, we'll be diving into the world of functional strength training, a powerful approach to building strength that goes beyond just looking good. So, grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Functional strength training is all about enhancing your body's ability to perform everyday movements more efficiently and with less risk of injury. It's about training your muscles to work together harmoniously, just like a well-oiled machine. Unlike traditional strength training that isolates specific muscles, functional strength training focuses on whole-body movements that mimic real-life activities. Think about it: lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or even playing with your kids require a combination of multiple muscle groups working together seamlessly. Let's take a closer look at an example of functional strength training: the squat to press exercise. Begin by holding a dumbbell or kettlebell at shoulder height, and then lower yourself into a squat position. As you rise back up, drive through your heels and explosively press the weight overhead. This movement engages your legs, core, and shoulders simultaneously, mimicking a motion you might use when lifting something heavy off the ground and placing it on a shelf. Functional strength training incorporates a wide range of exercises, including lunges, push-ups, deadlifts, and medicine ball throws. The key is to choose movements that involve multiple joints and muscles, working your body in a way that mirrors real-life actions. One of the great advantages of functional strength training is that it improves your overall functional fitness. You'll notice improvements in your balance, coordination, and stability. Plus, it helps to prevent injuries by strengthening the muscles and connective tissues that support your joints during everyday movements. Another fantastic aspect of functional strength training is its versatility. You can perform these exercises virtually anywhere, whether at the gym, in a park, or even in the comfort of your own home. All you need is your body weight, some basic equipment, and the determination to challenge yourself. Ever since I incorporated functional strength training into my routine, I've noticed a remarkable difference in my everyday life. I feel stronger, more agile, and better equipped to handle any physical task that comes my way. Plus, it's a lot more fun than the monotonous exercises I used to do. So there you have it, the power of functional strength training. Remember, it's not just about looking good. It's about building a body that moves with purpose and grace. Join us next time on Body Sculpt, where we'll continue exploring the incredible world of fitness.